Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find and access TikTok shop. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now when you go ahead, open up your TikTok app, and you have to make sure that your app is updated. You should be able to find a TikTok shop option right here in your mobile phone, in your home screen of your phone. Now let's say you do not find it. That means it's simply not available in your region. Now let's say everybody else is using TikTok shop in your country or in your area. Then if you, and you're still not being able to find, then you just have to go to App Store, search up TikTok, and check if your app is updated or not, because sometimes if your app is not updated, the up-to-date that recently updated or added features might not show. So go ahead, update the app and tap on open, and then you should be able to find the shop icon right over there. Now again, I mentioned, if your country or region is not allowed that particular feature by TikTok itself, you will not be able to find it, which also goes hand in hand with so many other features that is exclusive to some countries. So if that's the case, you will not be able to find the shop icon. If it's not, then you will find the shop icon right over here in your home screen for you to access. Now that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.